Hello, everyone. Now, I will introduce the application of S7 communication among the HUCEEN SMART series PLCs. S7 communication provides efficient and reliable data interaction services between PLCs and between PLCs and HMI or SCADA or upper computers. The architecture model of S7 communication mainly adopts the client or server architecture. It can be implemented using a one-sided programming method, that is, only by calling the put and get instructions on the client side, it can be achieved. When HUCEEN E7 series PLCs use S7 communication, they can support up to 8 active connections and 8 passive connections. The E5 and E3 series PLCs can support 5 shared connections. Take 2 smart CPUs as an example. Through the S7 communication method, data exchange between the 2 CPUs is achieved. Among them, the CPU acting as the client or local station has its IP address set to 192.168.0.216, while the CPU acting as the server or remote station has its IP address set to 192.168.0.217. This is used to transfer the data from VB0 in the client to QB0 on the server, and to transfer the data from VB0 on the server to QB0 in the client. On the client side, use the wizard to complete the configuration operations for put or get. Click the Tools option in the software menu bar, select the Get or Put wizard, and open the Get or Put wizard configuration interface. Complete the following configuration operations. First, add put and get operation options. Add 2 operations. The first one is named put operation. The second one is named get operation. The put operation is used to write the client's CPU data to the server. The get operation is used to read the server's CPU data to the client. After adding, click the next step. Second, configure the put operation. Select put in the type field. Set transfer size in byte s to 1 byte. Set renote CPU address to 192.168.0.217. Select local address as VB0. Select remote address as QB0. After configuration, click the next step. Third, configure the get operation. Select get in the type field. Set transfer size in byte s to 1 byte. Set renote CPU address to 192.168.0.217. Select local address as QB0. Select remote address as VB0. After configuration, click the next step. Fourth, allocate memory. After configuration, it is necessary to allocate a vMemory address for the wizard to use. The address allocated here needs to be noted that it cannot be the same as the address used in the program. After configuration, click Generate. The configuration can be completed. After configuration, a net_exe subprogram will be generated in the subprogram list. After the configuration is completed, in the main program, the constant flag SM0.0 is used to call the net_exe subroutine and complete the allocation of pin parameters. The client program and the server program are respectively downloaded to the CPU. On the server side, The download can be completed without writing any program. In the software of the client and the server, the status icons are used to monitor the values of VB0 and QB0. Modify the value of VB0 on the client side. The value of QB0 on the server side also changes accordingly. Modify the value of VB0 on the server side. And the value of QB0 on the client side also changes accordingly. Thus, the S7 communication between the two CPUs has been established. The above is an introduction to the S7 communication between the HUCEEN SMART series PLCs. Thank you all for watching.